Hi, my name is Mark Nejmeh, and this is the Crypto Report by Newsweed.com. I'm taking a look today at the top movers in crypto coin. I'm using the Coinbase site because that seems to be the most legitimate. Well, let's take a look what's going on. Our top mover, and I'm going to refresh this real quick, is Immutable, and I would like to see what Immutable does. It has a market cap of about 364 million. Once again, I'd like to emphasize, any of these coins are usually computer projects put together by a few people, right? They put out the coin, which is supposed to do something, right? And then they release coins, leaving them with a certain amount of coins for their computer project, right? And in some cases, they will dump. So let's take a look at Immutable. What is it used for? I personally think that coins are going to change the way we live. Crypto will change the way we live. Let's take a look. The symbol for this is IMX. Again, it's based on Ethereum. And note, many of these coins are based on Ethereum. It's an Ethereum token that powers Immutable X, a scalable solution for NFTs that aims to enable near instant low transactions. Near instant low free transactions. IMX can be used for staking or Immutable X, voting on the future of the protocol and paying transaction fees. Of course, they put all the descriptions in Greek. And if you don't speak Greek, you're kind of stuck. Let's go back and take a look at this. It seems as of 8 a.m., it went from $1.12 to $1.53. Actually, it went much higher than $1.71 and kind of bounced along there. It seems like there's 83% buys, 17% sells. Let's go back and look at what else is moving. Computer's kind of slow, as you can see. Rarible, R-A-R-I, $7.68. District Ox, 7.92% up. Let's take a look. Fetch, we talked about Fetch the other day, now at 33 cents. Ren, 34 cents. These are all up about 1%. Deriva DAO. A DAO is like a project that people put together. Again, another odd comment or name. This symbol's DDX, $2.20. Let's look at the market cap. Market cap is $57 million. So basically like a small OTC stock. The volume is about $1 million, 893 million, 52% buy, so it's about 50-50 circulation. What does DDX do? Again, another Ethereum token that powers Derived DEX, a decentralized exchange for derivative contracts. What the hell does that mean? The DDX token allows users to participate in the governance and operation of the exchange. So basically, there's no reason for this to be moving, except people speculating and buying, and it could be in concert. Very, very scary here. Let's go back. I think we've looked at enough of these, and we see that you have to really read through all of these before you go and buy them. And then, one thing that Coinbase should do is they should have who the developers are and how much they're holding. It's critical. Now, again, we're now seeing that Bitcoin is under 38,000. It's 37,995. $722 billion market cap. You have to ask yourself a question. If all these Russians were moving into crypto, particularly Bitcoin, it's not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. So if they were moving into crypto, you would have to look for another currency, and that might be the Chinese yuan, because it doesn't look like they're moving into Bitcoin. That might have been a hyped comment last week. Ethereum is 2,500, which is pretty low, although I've seen it as low as 1,800. Um, let's see, Cardano, 81 cents. I mean, just last week when we talked about this, it was almost 87, 89 cents. Avalanche, big deal out there, $73.62. I believe last week we saw it at about 78. Dogecoin, everybody's favorite, right? Mark Cuban is going to sell popcorn for Dogecoin, down to 12 cents. When this really started moving again, I said it was around 6 cents, and then it doubled and went to like 24 cents. Now think of all the young people that put in their savings into Dogecoin at around 20 cents and listen to a YouTuber saying it's going to rocket, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. I'm curious with Dogecoin. Let's see what we got. Dogecoin, Doge diving. According to this, 64% buying, 36% selling. Market cap, $15 billion. Just to give you an example, state of New Jersey, state that I'm not really interested in, don't like them, because they're moving towards socialism, was really having big talks about where they can spend their excess $4 billion. So here you have Doge, as far as I'm concerned, a bunch of people that bought Doge, pushed the market cap to 15.7 billion. The volume is pretty low. It's only 457 million. The circulating supply is 132 billion of Doge. That worries me. So they've got 132 billion if you calculate all the coins, but a market cap of only 15 billion. This to me should be a penny or less, like a Shiba Inu. Now they're saying that AMC theaters will accept Doge and Shiba Inu via BitPay. Here's a big story that I think you should pay attention to. I go to AMC theaters. Very good operation. But next time you go to AMC theaters, ask any of the people there if they own AMC stock. I asked probably 6 different people working there. None of them owned AMC stock. None of them. Makes you worry a little bit. If the stock is so great, if the company's so great, why don't their employees have any AMC stock? And don't you think the owner should be distributing stock to these employees to make the experience better? AMC Theaters customers next month will be able to pay with meme coins, Doge and Shiba Inu, using crypto payments provider BitPay. BitPay will be live for AMC online payments on our website March 19th and live on our mobile apps. Well, good. Maybe some of these people that have the $1 billion in there can start to support AMC and get out of the coin. Adam Aaron said that on Monday. In November, the company, a unit of AMC Entertainment Holdings, began accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum and BCH and Litecoin, and promised Doge was coming soon. So and this is important to make coin happen. When companies start accepting it, they take it in, and then they're speculating that they can hold it or sell it. That gives you more hope with the coin. AM shares are up 4% today, but remain lower by more than 30% year to date. Okay. So that was that story. Let's take a better look at all the coins. Now, we just said that Bitcoin was $37,995, and guess what? We're up $5. It's now $38,000. Let's go down a little more. Polkadot, very famous, 16.54. Wrapped coin, DAI is a stable coin. Stable coin means that it's going to maintain its value at $1, typically. Litecoin, $99. I remember when I bought Litecoin, when coins, crypto first came out, I paid $240. Fortunately, I sold Litecoin, and I did buy some other coin. Algorand, This price has been stable actually, 74 cents. Algorand is being used for a lot of NFTs. Mana, Decentraland, very popular. Um, let's take a look at Decentraland today. It's selling for $2.39. It's down 4%. You can see the way the volume has been moving today. Let's take a 1 month look. It's still on a downward trend for the month. Let's take a year if we can. So it's on an upward trend for a year if you don't look at this right here, up to 467. So it's less than half the price. Let's see what they do. Decentraland Mana is an Ethereum token that powers a Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland, as well as in world goods and services. Hey, that's what we want to see. The more of these businesses out there that accept coin, the greater their value will be. In the past year, Decentraland is up 500%. So let's take a look at the price. Divide that by 5. It was 50 cents a year ago. So be careful. I wanted to say that I do believe that crypto can change the world. If you think about, my vision with crypto is that a coin will be adopted. It will be used to pay people for quality work. And then those people will participate in marketplaces similar to plaid stamps or S&H stamps. That's the way I look at it. I do realize that these are better ways of accounting for transactions, and I do recognize that the blockchain is something that's really going to make a very big difference in a lot of lives. But there's just been too many of these coins that come up, which again are computer projects put together by a couple of people, and that's the problem with it, because they keep coins to themselves and then they dump into the market. These are usually listed Cello, and some of these are very legitimate if they're implemented. Everything is implemented, is implementation, right? I'd like to see, I was speaking to my friend Charlie Williams, I'd like to see a crypto coin be blended into society that could actually be initially offered to these homeless shelters or homeless organizations or nonprofits when the price is low. Get the coin into circulation and get it through, whether the tradesmen are accepting it or whether we're using it in some other industry. As the circulation goes, and as long as there's a set amount, the value should go up. This could solve poverty as well as the need for services to serve the poor, like people that run homeless shelters, if the value of that goes up. Because as long as the distributed amount of crypto goes to an organization and they are not able to sell it all in one shot, and the goal is to get this into circulation and build your S&H green stamp marketplace, then the value will be there to perform for those nonprofits, or let's hope that someday we have for-profit services that can help people. As Charlie pointed out, it's not important to get people and drag them out of the river. It's important to get the people before they get into the river and drown. So I'll be working with Charlie, and I'll hopefully be working with a crypto company to get in on the ground floor with these cryptos so that it can support the effort upstream and support the effort downstream. That's the critical element. Charlie and I are both from the building trades industry, and I think that if we can work with the building trades people and we can devise a method for compensating people for quality workmanship, and that those people hold that coin for speculation, then we can bring up the poverty line, because many of the people that work in construction do come from a poverty area. We can increase their wealth, not with government assistance, but with good speculative free market speculation. And that's our goal. So, of course, Charlie has to approve it. Anyway, that's my report for today. There's Immutable down here, up 28%. And this is the wild, wild west, folks. All these coins. Wherever it says buy, it's tradable. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day.